Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the server on Rainbow Six Siege. So first of all, you want to open up your File Explorer. After that, you want to go to Documents, and on Documents you want to go to My Games. From there you will see Rainbow Six Siege. Open it and open this folder too. Here you will see Game Settings in a file. You want to go ahead and open it with a notepad. And once you will open it, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you will see all of the regions and all of the servers. And for example, you want to change to West US, so you're gonna go ahead and copy this, and after that you will see here data center hint, and you want to go ahead and delete default and paste your server right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, you just need to go ahead and click File and Save. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.